Culvers, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Culvers. Culvers is a global fast casual brand, known for fresh butter burgers, creamy frozen custard, and Wisconsin cheese curds. Since it started in 1984 in Sauk City, it has built a strong reputation by offering high-quality food and friendly service, mixing old traditions with new ways of running restaurants. Anecdote: one of the first franchise owners started with a small place and inspired many others to join the business. How does a Culvers franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Culvers uses a franchise system where local owners follow strict brand rules. Fee structure. The starting fee is between $2,000 and $55,000. After that, you pay around 4%, 8% plus marketing fees. Support from Culvers. The company offers great training and help with running and marketing the business.
Anecdote: the success of the first franchisee became a famous story that encouraged many others to join.
Entry costs for Culvers. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment is between $26,425 and $8,573,000. This includes building, equipment, supplies, and training. Potential earnings. One restaurant makes about $3,694,000 a year on average, which gives a good return on investment.
Anecdote: one investor made more money than expected very quickly, showing the business can really pay off.
Step by step, how to register a Culvers franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. It starts by talking to the development team and checking if you're a good fit. Documentation. You need a full business plan, financial info, and details about the place you want to open. Duration. The process usually takes 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote: one person finished in just 3 months and quickly became popular in their local community.
Taxes and fees in Culvers. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. This is between 10% and 37% of your yearly income. Property taxes. These are about 1% to 5% of your income, used for building costs. State and local taxes. Extra fees like sales tax or use tax are about 1%, 3%. Licensing fees. These are about 0.5%, 1% of your income. Marketing fees. About 5% of your income goes to advertising.
Anecdote: one owner did their taxes so well that others used it as an example.
Hiring employees in Culvers. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical restaurant hires 40 to 50 people. Training costs. Training costs between $300 and $700 per person and includes both lessons and hands-on practice. Training systems. Combines old-school training with modern online lessons.
Anecdote: a fun contest for the best service technique became a yearly tradition and made the team very excited.
Culvers operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Raw materials cost about $15,000 to $25,000 a month. Salaries and benefits. Employee pay is $1,000 to $2,000 each month. Rent and utilities. Rent is $5,000, $15,000 and utilities are $1,000, $3,000 monthly. Maintenance and repairs. Building upkeep costs $500, $1,000 monthly. Licensing and marketing fees. These fees are $3,500, $8,000 every month. Total of all taxes, You'll pay $3,000, $5,000 in taxes each month.
Anecdote. One restaurant used a smart cost control plan and saved a lot of money, setting a new example for others.
Training and support. How does Culvers help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. The training program takes about 550 hours and includes both learning and practice. Operational support. You get help from experts who visit regularly. E-learning platform. Online lessons are updated all the time to help you learn more. Marketing. National and local advertising helps bring in more customers.
Anecdote. After finishing training, one franchisee held a local event that doubled the number of visitors.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Franchise inspections in Culvers. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Company checks happen every 3 months. Internal inspections. Internal audits are done once a year to keep standards high. Frequency. Inspections happen 3 to 4 times per year.
Anecdote. A surprise inspection led to one store being praised for perfect organization, boosting its great image.
Profitability of Culvers. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. The average net profit margin is 10%, 20%. ROI. Most people get their money back in 5 to 7 years. Success factors. Good location, smart management, and loyal customers are key.
Anecdote. One restaurant made back its investment in just 5 years and inspired many others.
10. Culvers in the market. How is the brand performing today? Key information. Market position. Culvers has over 850 restaurants, mostly in the Midwest and South of the U.S. Growth and expansion. It keeps growing and wants to enter new areas. Challenges and forecast. Smart ideas and great service help it stay ahead of competitors.
Anecdote. A new online ordering system helped one location break sales records.
11. Pros and cons of a Culvers franchise. What do you need to know before deciding? Key information. Pros. A. Strong and well-known brand. B. Great support with operations and marketing. C. Good earning potential and fast ROI. D. Stable network of restaurants across the country. Cons. A. High starting cost, $26,400 to $8,573,000. B. Regular fees for royalty and marketing. C. Strict rules to follow. D. Tough competition in fast casual market.
Anecdote. One determined franchisee overcame big challenges and became a huge success, inspiring future business owners.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study the market well first. Financial assessment. Check your finances and possible profits. Consultations with experts. Talk to experts so you don't make mistakes. Support evaluation. Make sure the company gives good help and tools. Franchise agreement analysis. Carefully read and understand the franchise agreement.
Anecdote. One business owner made a great decision after doing good research and started a very successful business.
Conclusion. Who is the Panera Bread franchise for and is it worth investing? Panera Bread is a great choice for people who want to invest in a well-known fast casual brand focused on healthy food and great service. With an investment between $37,400 and $496,000 and fast payback, 18 to 24 months, this franchise offers steady income and big growth chances. Anecdote. One location made back the investment super fast and became a role model for young business starters, showing that success is possible. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen. Is Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.